In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a simple falling snowflake effect in Adobe After Effects using the CC Particle World effect. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a PNG image of the particle you want to use, which in this tutorial is a snowflake. Import the PNG into the After Effects, drag it into a new composition, and name it Snowflake. Make sure the PNG file and your After Effects project are saved in the same folder. Next, create a new composition and name it Snow. After creating the composition, go to Layer, New, Solid, and create a solid layer. With the solid layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets. Search for CC Particle World and apply the effect to the solid layer. Once the effect has been applied, open the Effect Controls panel where you will see all the settings for the CC Particle World. Drag the snowflake composition into your snow composition, then select the solid layer, open the particle settings, and change the particle type to textured square. Next, open the texture settings and change none to your snowflake composition so the particles will use your snowflake image. Now hide the snowflake layer by clicking the eye icon, then preview the animation to see the particle effect. You should now see the particles using your snowflake texture. To make the snowfall look more realistic, go to Particle Setting and change the birth color to sky blue and depth color to white. Also, change the birth size to 1 and change the depth size to 0.050. After that, open the physics settings and change the gravity value to 0.050 so the snowflakes fall more naturally. Finally, make the birth rate 3 and the longevity to 5. After that, go to Producer Setting and set the position Y to -1.50 and radius X to 0.605. Radius Z at 1.475 and leave the radius Y to 0.025. That's it! You have successfully created a simple falling snowflake effect using CC Particle World. Feel free to adjust the particle settings to create your own snowfall style.